Okay, as part of our men's shed group and the new Platform 1 hub, we just help weed and plant stuff just to make it look good for the population in Newtown, just to keep it fresh if we can. Try our best. We're not horticulturists or green-fingered, but we'll give it a go. Just being part of the community. We also do flower plants up at the nursing homes, the hospital, whilst we're waiting for our new hub to open up. And that's all really, and then we'll be up there probably 90% of the time. Well, it was an offer from the council, like everybody else, all the other gangs. We had two initially. We had the end one and this one. That one was for the group of people who live in East Glenravon, but a lot of them are in wheelchairs and scooters, and they found it impossible, so we handed it over to this group. We just concentrate on that one there really, and do what we can. It's a love a community, I think, and put anything else. It's not about showing off. It's what can we do for everybody as part of the group. I lived in Newtown for years. I'm in Welshpool now, so I still come down. It's well worth it. All part of being part of the greater good, I think.